I will tell you, hindi ako tatakbo. I don't run from a fight, I will dig in. Pero ito ang sasabihin ko sa inyo, members of this TRICOM. I will bring documents and allow me to speak. Because even if that is the inconvenient truth, that is the truth. Lahat kami rito, hindi namin alam kung paano gumawa ng fake news. We only tell what's the truth, even if it is inconvenient to those who are in power. So mga kababayan, tandaan po ninyo, tingnan po ninyo, pag pumunta po kami doon, kinaladkad kami doon, you see how they will treat us. Observe, tingnan ninyo how they will treat us. How they will disrespect us. How they will remove our dignity. Kasi kung gagawin nila yan sa amin, gagawin din nila yan sa inyong lahat, 120 million Filipinos. Ginagawa kaming example to instill fear sa lahat ng Pilipino para manaig sila and they will remain in power for as long as they want. That's how hungry they are. Ganyan sila kaganid, ganyan sila uhaw sa kapangyarihan. All of them. Kaya tandaan po ninyo mga kababayan, nandito kami sa harap ninyo. We are not afraid to fight. In fact, dati, kanya-kanya kaming diskarte. Now, they banded us together. And we will speak with one voice. A voice that will ring in every Filipino's mind. We will fight and we will win.